Hello and welcome to the Online College of Coding video tutorial series. This is the last video of the series on getting started with Gamemaker. In this video, we will be looking at building a Gamemaker executable file from a project. Before starting this video, it is recommended that you have seen this series from the beginning, starting with the video on the Gamemaker interface, and have completed at least one Gamemaker project. Once your Gamemaker game is complete, or even beforehand, you might want to show it off to your friends or even distribute it. To do this, your game must be compiled into an executable, so it can be run without Gamemaker. Luckily, Gamemaker makes this an easy process for us that only takes a minute or two. Gamemaker can create executables for many different platforms, such as Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and loads more even. A compile target is the target platform that you want to build your game for. To choose a compile target, there's a drop-down menu in the toolbar. Simply select the desired target from there, and you're nearly halfway done. We are just going to choose Windows. Keep in mind that while you are using the standard free version of Gamemaker, you only have the option to compile games for Windows. Other platform license modules can be purchased from the Yo-Yo Games website if you wish to distribute your game onto another platform. The second step to compiling your executable is to click the Create Executable button, also on the toolbar. This will open up a dialog for you to choose a location to save your executable to. The only change you might want to make in this window is what type of executable is produced. A Windows NSIS installer will actually install the game onto your computer before it runs the game. For larger projects, this is probably the best choice. But because our game is quite small, we can choose the single runtime executable. This requires no installing and will simply just run the game. Once you choose a location, click Save and let Gamemaker do its thing for a minute or so. You can watch the progress in the compile window down the bottom here. When the compiling is done, the last line on the compile window will say Create Finished. Your game is all compiled. Now you can put the shortcut onto a USB and onto another computer and play your awesome game. Thank you for tuning into this Online College of Coding video tutorial series. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one.